Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll see the answers from chapter 10 Changes Around Us of class 9th Science from Refresher Course Module book. First part, choose the best answer. First one, burning of paper is a chemical change. Option B is the right answer. Second one, burning of matchstick is an example for chemical reaction caused by contact in physical states. Third one, dash undergoes rusting. Iron. Option D is the right answer. Fourth one, limestone contains dash mainly. Calcium carbonate. Option B is the right answer. Fifth one, which of the following factor induces electrolysis? Electricity. Option C is the right answer. Sixth one, in Haber's process of producing ammonia, dash is used as a catalyst. Iron. Option C is the right answer. Seventh one, dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxides in rainwater causes acid rain. Option A is the right answer. Eighth one, dash is or are responsible for global warming. That is carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Option D is the right answer. Part 2, fill in the blanks. First one, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of sunlight. Second one, iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to water and oxygen. Third one, dash is a basic material to manufacture urea, ammonia. Fourth one, electrolysis of brine solution gives dash gases, that is chlorine and hydrogen gases. Chlorine and hydrogen gases. Fifth one, dash is a chemical substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction, that is catalyst. Sixth one, dash is an enzyme responsible for browning of vegetables and fruits, so that is tyrosinase. Next part, match the following. Here given two match the following. We'll see the first one, rusting takes place in iron, electrolysis in brine, thermolysis in decomposition of limestone, food, photosynthesis, catalysis, Haber's process. Next match, spoilage, that is food, ozone, that is oxygen, tarnishing, that is chemical reaction, yeast, that is biocatalyst, calcium oxide, that is decomposition. Next part, answer the following. First one, explain the role of yeast in making cakes and buns in a bakery. Yeast is a bioorganic catalyst. அது ஒரு வினைவிக்க செயல்படுது. கேட்டலிஸ்ட்னா ரியாக்ஷன் ஸ்பீட் பண்ணும். Carbon dioxide is generated by the yeast as a result of the breakdown of fermentable sugars in the dough and makes cakes to rise. So அந்த கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு வந்து உருவாகுது. அந்த கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு வந்து சுகரை வந்து பிரேக் டவுன் பண்ணுது. பிரேக் டவுன் பண்ணி அந்த கேக்கை வந்து மிருதுவாகவும் ஆக்குது. Yeast is a bioorganic catalyst. Carbon dioxide is generated by the yeast as a result of the breakdown of fermentable sugars in the dough and makes cakes to rise. Question number 2. Burning of fossil fuels is responsible for global warming. Justify the statement. Yes. இப்போ அதிகமான fossil fuels வந்து எரிச்சோம்னா நிறைய கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு உருவாகும். அந்த கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு அட்மாஸ்பியரில் கலந்து அது கிரீன்ஹவுஸ் கேஸை வந்து உற்பத்தி செஞ்சு global warming மாறிடும். ஸோ புவியோட வெப்பநிலை வந்து அதிகமாகும். Now we'll see how to write. The combustion of fossil fuels also releases a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming. Question number 3. Discuss how acid rain occurs due to emission of smoke from vehicles and industries. Rain வந்து சுத்தமான தண்ணி தான். அது atmosphere entry ஆக சொல்ல the air pollutions, that pollutants released by cars and industrial process. So அதனால என்ன ஆயிடுதுன்னு சொன்னா rain becomes a acid rain. Now we'll see how to write. Rain becomes acidic in nature due to the presence of certain pollutants in the air released by cars and industrial process. Acid rain is caused by emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide which react with the water molecules in the atmosphere. Question number 4. Is rusting good for iron materials? Explain. இரும்பு துருப்பிடிக்கிறது குட் இல்லை. ஏன்னா அந்த இரும்பு துருப்பிடிக்கிறதுனால அந்த இரும்போட ஸ்ட்ரென்த் வந்து ரெடியூஸ் ஆகிடும். ஸோ ரஸ்டிங் இஸ் நாட் குட் ஃபார் iron materials. Rust is a form of iron oxide. It reduces the strength of the iron which becomes weaker. Question number 5. Do all the fruits and vegetables undergo browning? Explain. எல்லா ஃப்ரூட் வெஜிடபிள்ஸும் ப்ரௌன் கலர் ஆகிடாது. எதெல்லாம் ப்ரௌன் கலர் ஆகுதோ அதில் என்ன இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் டைரோசினேஸ்ன்ற ஒரு என்சைம் இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த என்சைம் இருக்கிறதுனால அது கட் பண்ணால் ப்ரௌனாக மாறிடும். Now we'll see how to write. No, not all the fruits and vegetables. The enzyme tyrosinase that when in contact with oxygen catalyzes a biochemical reaction of plants phenolic compounds to brown pigments such as melanin which results in the fruit or vegetables turning brown. Sixth one, identify the following day-to-day activities based on chemical reactions by physical contact solutions of reactants, heat, light, electricity and catalysts. First one, burning of crackers during festivals. That is physical contact. Physical contact. Second one, fading of colored clothes on drying under sunlight, heat. Cooking of eggs, heat. Charging of batteries, electricity. Thank you, students.